So ChatGPT Luna built this with OpenCode using the Blender MCP. This is just built from scratch. I can tell you later what the project is exactly, but this is a start, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically, you can do this with other things. You can do this with Cloud Code or Codex or probably Google Anti-Gravity, so on and so forth. And then you just talk to it. So, I said build an isometric game, axonometric military perspective, and it started building. And I said, nope, zoom in. You zoomed in too much. Okay, now zoom out. Okay, that's good. Build a robot, and then it made it top down. I said, no, it shouldn't be top down. It needs to be not top down. I got to get rid of that block, and it needs to clean up the perspective. I want it to be axonometric military perspective, so it's going to have to clean up the tiles a little bit. And yeah, so with that said, I'm pretty sure I could have it rig it. Fairly sure I could have it rig it and then animate it, and then I can export it if I want a pixel art game. So yeah, there's lots of possibilities with this. This is just scratching the surface. I've spent like 5 or 10 minutes on this so far. This is just 5 or 10 minutes in, and so I'll see where this goes. I'm rather happy with it. The possibilities of vibe coding, or I guess in this case, vibe modeling, are pretty extensive. There's a lot of options with regards to, what you can do with AI. If you had a good enough, if you had some local AI, if you were able to run a decently hefty large language model locally, the new, DeepSeek V4 Flash or whatever, or some other ones like it, you could probably do this just all with your own AI. So yeah, I'll see where this goes. Basically, it's in Blender right now. So what I would do then perhaps is I'll hopefully export it into sprite sheets and then load it into Godot, or like various other tooling that's open source for other isometric games. And, then you can have a robot and a MMO, for example. So yeah, you got lots of options. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. So yeah, OpenCode with Luna, and I put Luna to extra high reasoning because I have some extra tokens to burn through. So I figured out I'd see what I can do with it. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I definitely recommend the Blender MCP. Go look it up. It has, I don't know, it has almost 30,000 stars on GitHub, I think. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, Blender MCP, build stuff. Just I didn't do anything in myself in Blender other than attach the MCP server. I basically just, downloaded it, went to settings or something, added on the MCP server, changed to config in OpenCode, and then it just worked. It's like, yeah, I can see it. So anyway, I'm pretty impressed. And we'll see where this goes. So yeah, cheers and limitless peace.